Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Agoda. So let me take you to the website, which is agoda.com. For the ones who don't know what is Agoda, Agoda is an online travel platform that specializes in offering booking services for accommodations, flights, airport transfer, and other travel-related services. They primarily focuses on providing a wide range of options for hotel and lodging reservation across various destinations worldwide. The platform allows users to search for and book accommodations, compare prices, read reviews, and find details on hotels, vacation rentals, hostels, and other types of lodging. So, if you want to give yourself a vacation treat, why not to come to the website of agoda.com and buy yourself or book yourself a vacation treat? Totally up to you. You could do it for yourself, for your family, or friend. But what if I tell you that this is a time to start earning money from Agoda? Is it possible? Of course it is. You simply have to join the affiliate program of Agoda and start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, to your followers. And when you bring sales to Agoda, guess what? You'll get the commission. Is it really worth it? Is it really worth promoting Agoda? Let's look at the number. So currently, they're standing at number 396 worldwide. And then in the category of travel and tourism, they're ranking at number 2. Now that is something. And if you scroll down, we get to see that they got over 91 million monthly visit. Now that is something. People know them, they love them, they like them. You simply have to start promoting them and you start earning commission out of it. So let's talk about the affiliate program of theirs. For that, let me take you to the footer section of the website where you will see affiliates. When you would click on it, it will take you to this page. I'm going to mention this link in the video description as well. Once you're here, you would be able to see about the affiliate program. Not much return here, but at least it will give you a basic idea. And according to this page, you are to click on sign up. But when you click on it, you would see that the affiliate program is currently getting upgraded. So that's why you won't be able to register them through this page. You can give it a try in the future and let's see if allows you to sign up directly with them. But what if I tell you that there's a better way you could join the affiliate program and you can even earn more than 5%? So what they have returned here, 5%, you can even earn more than 5%. So let me take you to a platform called travelpayouts.com. Now, what is travel payouts? Travel payouts is a very unique kind of affiliate marketing network where they allow travel related affiliates to connect with travel related brands. So they specializes in that. So you can simply come to their website and to join the affiliate program of these travel related brands, you have to join travel payouts as an affiliate. So once you're here on the travelpayouts.com, simply click on get started, follow through the registration process, and then you will have access to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, what you understand, the many nuances that you have to keep in mind when you create an account. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use the affiliate account of travel payouts. You'll find the link in the video description. Just click on the link, follow the instruction, get yourself the travel payouts account. Once you get it, you can come to the website again, click on login, which will take you to this page, enter your email address and password, click on sign in, and as I said, you would get access to something called affiliate dashboard. So this is a place where you would be able to interact with the affiliate program of different brands, but all the amazing travel related brands that you have heard of, but we will only be talking about the affiliate program of Agoda. So for that, click on programs, and within programs, click on this sign, this icon, and once you're here, just start typing Agoda, and then you will see the tile for Agoda. So here, once you're here, you can click on details, which will take you to the affiliate program page of Agoda, and you would be able to see all the information here. Let's say we got the introduction, then pre-approval is required. That means you can't just start promoting them. You have to request them, and once they approve you, that's when you can start promoting them. Now you have to ensure that your contents, like whatever online presence that you have given while creating an account with travel payouts, you have to ensure that the content on that specific online presence, doesn't matter website, blog, or social media page, should have original travel related content. That's very important. Then your online presence should be at least 2 months old and is regularly updated and contains up-to-date information as well. Then it also allows you to organically integrate affiliate links into your content. That means there should be some way for you to post your tracking links on those content. Let's say you got a website, then you should be able to integrate your tracking links on your web pages. If you got a blog, then you should be able to integrate the tracking links on your blog posts. Similarly, if you got a Facebook account or any social media account, you should be able to post tracking links over there. Does not contain offensive content, viruses, or other negative content, and does not call for illegal action. So these are the basic requirements. Then if you scroll down on the profile page, you would see the rate. So they're currently offering 6% of the booking amount excluding taxes. So whatever sales you're gonna bring to them, if someone will book something, you will end up getting 6% as commission. Now that's great. And then sales attribution, you earn commission from every purchase user make. Doesn't matter if the user that you brought makes the booking or purchase from desktop, mobile version of the website, or directly from the application, you would still be entitled to get commission. And then there are some features and the languages and geo-targeting. Now, this is very important. What kind of affiliates can join them? Doesn't matter, from wherever you are, from around the world, you should be able to apply to the affiliate program and start promoting them. Location of the affiliates, I haven't seen any restrictions anywhere. Where can you promote them? Like, to which location can you promote them? See, they're geo-targeting worldwide. That means it's totally up to you. You can basically promote them anywhere you like, to consumers of any country you like, because they're targeting all the countries worldwide. So that's amazing. You're not restricted to only a few countries. You can promote them anywhere you like. Then allow types of content promotions. Paid search is not allowed. This is very important, so avoid that. Now, what kind of affiliates they are okay with? That's very important. Affiliates with a website, affiliates with social media accounts. So it could be a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube. All these social media accounts are fine. Then video platforms as well, like YouTube being a very good example here. So only these kind of affiliates are allowed as of now. For the rest kind of affiliates, they are unfortunately not accepting the application. And once you've read it all, then you can go to the program terms. You can read through the terms as well. And after reading it, you can simply click on connect to program here. And of course, it will automatically have the tick mark as I accept the terms of it. So once you clicked on connect to program, you would see this option, manage program connected to Agoda. So here you would see your available project, or rather your online presence. So when you would create an account with travel payouts, you would give your online presence details, and you would see them listed in here. If you have given more than one, you will see more than one here. Otherwise, you'll just see one. So in my case, I'm just going to go with request to connect. In your case, whatever option you'll see here, you can click on request to connect. And when you do that, it will ask you to confirm this. You can read it, and if that's true for you, you can click on all good. And when you do that, your application to Agoda affiliate program team would go. It could be the team at Travel Payouts. Basically, the point is someone will review it and will see whether you're a good fit for Agoda affiliate program or not, and will confirm, will give you the approval based on that. And how much time could it take? It could take anywhere between 48 hours. So it could be just a few hours from now, or up to 48 hours. So you can wait for them to give you the approval. And while you're waiting, what if you want to reach out to them? You have some question that you want to ask. So you can click on ask a question from the profile, and then you can initiate a question that you might have for them. So this is how you can apply to the affiliate program of Agoda. But let's say you waited enough and you get the approval. Now what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can just take any link from their website. You have to use your tracking link, which are meant for you. So for that, you can again come to the homepage, and that's when you get the approval. And for the confirmation, you'll be getting an email too. So once you've gotten the approval, you can come to the homepage, click on create a link from the top right hand side, and over here you would be able to see your project. This is again basically your online presence that you've entered with travel payouts. You can select your project. You can select the Agoda from the program in here. You would only find them listed here once you've gotten the approval, and then you can put the link, any link that you want to convert into tracking link. This is very important because you can't just take any link from the website and start promoting them. So let's say, for example, that we have this link that I want to promote. So what I'll do, I'll take that link, so this link, and I can go to here, and I can put this link in here, and observe it converted into tracking link. But since it's an error alert that I have selected, so that's why you see URL like this. Otherwise, you will see Agoda in the URL. So this is how you can create tracking link for Agoda after getting approval from them. So getting approval is very important. Now, this is not the only way. There are other kind of links as well that you could get from Agoda. So let's see what other kind of links you can get. So you would be able to find them again if you go to programs. And over here, within programs, you can go to this icon, the second one. And over here, you would be able to see Agoda listed. But since we haven't gotten the approval, that's why we don't see it here. So we'll again find them from here just for the tutorial purpose. But once you have gotten the approval, you will see them listed here. Once you see the title, you can click on details once again, and you will see this will turn into approved. As of now, it says request and review. Otherwise, it will say approved. And then you can click on tools, and over here you would be able to see a different link. From link, you would be able to create your own tracking link. This option will come or will get visible once you get the approval. From widget, you could take this amazing widget and put it on your website or blog if you like. Then from banners, you should be able to get some banners as well for Agoda and start promoting them to your audience. So the question arises, where can you promote them? Like, how exactly can you promote them? There are many ways you can promote them, but still I'm going to cover a few. One being a website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, you can promote them anywhere. Just put advertisement anywhere you like. That could work for you. Blog would be amazing here because you could write blog posts about different property that's available on Agoda, and at the end of each blog post or somewhere in the middle, you can give something like, you can say something like, if you're interested to buy or book yourself a treat, here's the link. Then you provide the link. Basically a blog post, and somewhere in the blog post you should mention the tracking link. So this way, any reader who liked the content, the blog post, and got interested, they can click on the link and go with the booking. The second you see in the list is travel and tourism website. So this will be amazing because people come to travel and tourism website to explore about these stuff, isn't it? So they anyways are interested. You just have to motivate them enough to click on your tracking link and take them to Agoda. Probably create a section just for Agoda on your website. If someone comes to your travel and tourism website, they will see Agoda as a button. When they would click on it, they probably will see all the property available with Agoda. I know it will require some integration, but that's possible. That's would be one of the best way to bring consumers to Agoda's website. Then the last but not the least is social media. So social media is one of the great thing because you have many options available. Totally up to you what kind of social media platform you're taking into play. For example, if you take Facebook, you could upload short videos or reels on Facebook. If you talk about Twitter, you could just tweet about some places on Agoda and just provide tracking link over there. And if you talk about YouTube, you can probably create videos in Agoda. So totally up to you. Social media is very expansive and cannot give you plenty of options. So whenever you are promoting them, ensure you have gotten the approval from for Agoda affiliate program for that specific promotional place. So that means if you remember when we were applying, we clicked on request for specific project type. So you have to keep in mind that you can only promote them on the places where you got the approval. Let's say if you got the approval for your website, you have to only promote them on your website. You cannot promote that on any other mediums. And if you want to promote them on different places than your website, then you should add that as a project type within your travel payouts account, and then you can apply again for that project type. When you get the approval, you can promote them on that project type too. So totally up to you. So let's say you started promoting them and you started generating sales as well. You started bringing people. They started making booking. That means you started bringing sales to them. Where can you see your performance? For that, you can come to the travel payouts dashboard again. Over here, you can click on reports, which will take you to the report section. Here you would be able to see your performance. You can use all these amazing filters to see more in-depth information. Within the action section, you would be able to see your sales and commission as well. Now, how about the payout of whatever commission you'll see? So for that, you can click on finance, which will take you to the finance section. Over here, you would be able to see your balance that's pending. If you click on payments, you get to see all the payments that's being issued to you. And if you click on payment details, this is the place where you would be able to select your country of residence. In my case, I can select India. In your case, whatever your country of residence is, you can select. And depending on what you select here, you would be able to see information like payment methods available. So let's say whatever payment method applies to you, when you select country from here, you can click on add and add the payment information accordingly. So let's say you selected India or United States of America, you will see PayPal. And if you want to add details for the PayPal, click on add and enter the details. So depending on what you will select as your payment method, you would be able to add the payment details accordingly. And this is very important. The other thing you'll observe here is minimum payout. So depending on the payment method that you will select, the minimum payout would differ. For say, if you selected PayPal, then travel payouts would only be able to issue the payment to you when your accumulated commission exceeds $50. But if you select web money, then they will issue the payment to you when it exceeds $10. So this is something to keep in mind. Now, this is how you find the affiliate program of Agoda, apply to them, get your approval, start promoting them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in the affiliate program of Agoda. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.